I think when we're depressed, we can feel stuck. It's very isolating, lonely place. And it's very difficult to have any sense of perspective. So this will help you shift your perspective of the thoughts and feelings that come up in your mind. To get more out of this, use your VR headset. If you don't have one, it's okay. Simply move your phone around to explore. Or you can just close your eyes, put on headphones, and listen. If you want, check out my favorite headsets in the description. Make yourself comfortable, starting with a few deep breaths. Breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. In and out. As you breathe in, feel your body expanding. As you exhale, feel a sense of letting go. Breathe in, feel your lungs with fresh air. And out, let go of any tension in your body. Imagine yourself on the beautiful island of Mauritius. You're relaxing by the shallow ocean water, drawn back by the tide, exposing beautiful black rocks all along the coastline, with clouds sailing over your head. It's a beautiful day, and yet feelings of sadness, lack of concentration, exhaustion, maybe it's depression. You're not crazy, you're not weird, and definitely you're not alone feeling this way. Meditation won't solve depression, but it can help you understand your mind, reframe negative thinking, and change the way you feel. Just because negative thoughts are always there, doesn't mean it has to continue to be this way. The more you can see those thoughts with a clear, calm mind, the easier it becomes to let them go. Imagine a bright blue sky stretching off into the distance. You're taking deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. Feels pretty good, right? This is the perfect metaphor for the mind, a black canvas on which your thoughts and feelings appear. Okay, so maybe there are just a few clouds. They're not bothering or distracting you too much, especially if they're cute little fluffy ones. This is how the mind appears when it's calm. Bright, serene, and happy. But life isn't always easy. Sometimes there are a lot more clouds in the sky, like now. Sometimes they might be dark and block the sun completely. It gets to the point that it's hard to think of anything else but the gloominess. In fact, sometimes we get so obsessed by the clouds that we forget about the blue sky altogether. But it's still here. Every time you're in a plane and you fly through the clouds, there it is, right? without fail, blue sky. It's easy to forget, but what we're looking for is already here, and that's why we need reminding. Take a moment to come back to your breathing. Deep breath in, deep breath out. You got used to tolerating negative thoughts, and you start thinking, this is me, this is who I am, when all it is just a habit. It's a habit of the way you're looking at life. I really believe what you've got to do is train yourself. Train yourself like working out. It's completely normal to have bad days, get frustrated, feel sad, but don't stay there. Don't live there. It's like a muscle. You know you can train yourself to get frustrated by doing it all the time. You can train yourself to be stressed out, to feel sad by doing it so often. We get wired. The more we do something, the more we get wired. But hey, you can train yourself to feel positive. You can train yourself to feel strong. So don't settle. Remember, you get what you tolerate. Focus on yourself. Think of things you're grateful for, and know that you're still here. You're still standing, and like any storm, this too shall pass. That doesn't mean you're not going to feel sad. It means you're not going to stay there, because you made that decision. Take another deep breath in, deep breath out. Life is too short to feel so bad. I've decided I want to live in a beautiful state for the rest of my life. That doesn't mean I won't feel bad. It means I won't stay there, because I'm in control, and I can change it, and so can you. When the clouds disperse, you start to see the beautiful blue sky, which has always been there. You just forgot. Subscribe if you want to feel like this again. You can end your meditation revelation here, or take the next few minutes to be by yourself.